I don't know how it works sometimes, but I think we built the points. Get a look at the plug. Somehow that did the trick. So we're getting a spark, which is good. This thing should fire. It's got a new carburetor, new used carburetor on it. The wiring, some guy previous to me messed it all kinds of up. Under the seat here, you see we got the classic splice-in connectors, no battery, but aside from that, decent shape. We can sort all that out, and yeah, order new points, put some fuel in it, and get this thing to run for the first time in who knows when.